sorry, Dad, I think.
Back up, buddy. Get over there.
That seemed to handle 5S pretty dang good. What's a hunter?
Yeah.
Somebody who's hunting deer.
Should we go say something?
I wish I had a working drone left. I'd go fuck with them. That'd really piss them off.
Should we?
No.
No?
He's probably already angry because we're scaring away all the deer with this drone. But he's in luck, because that was 3 packs and 3 broken drones. Just like that. Bang, boom, pow. All of them gone. All of them done.
Yep.
Just like that, buddy.
Yeah.
Bang, boom, pow.
Yep.
3 packs in, 3 packs out.
Yep.
Just like that.
So glad we get
Wrap
to
it
play
up.
the shoot game.
Wrap it up, call it a day.
So glad we
Fuck FPV, go home and play Red Dead on the PC with cheat codes. It's fun. Peace. Alright. Go this way a little bit. There you go. That's good. Just need little adjustments then when you're going faster.
Okay.
Turn this way. This way. Turn. There you go. A little bit more this way. Okay. Good job.
Now to turn.
Yep. And
Yay!
turn. Hard, 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 hard. Hard, 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 hard. All right, now start straightening it out. Straighten it out, straighten it out, straighten it out.
Should we honk the horn?
If you want. All right, that's good. That hunter over there.
I said, get out of my tree.
There's a guy in a tree over there hunting. Like right over there. And we've been cruising around with drones and beeping the car horn and driving around, and there's no way he's happy. All right, one more time around. Turn. Turn, 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 turn. Turn, 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 turn. All right, start straightening it out.
Hard.
Start straightening it out. Straighten out, 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 straighten out. All right. You got to get that straightening out part down.
Yeah. Okay, just hunting for these. Yeah, that. I have no idea what that is.
That's a hunter. We're both just driving, staring out the window, not even paying attention to where we're going.
What?
Turn, turn. All right, not so much, not so much.
What are we doing?
All right, keep it on the path.
Yeah, y'all. I'm just driving.
Keep it on the path. Keep it on the path. Keep it on the path. You're going 15 miles an hour now, buddy. Keep it on the path.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
All right, and turn.
Yay!
Turn, 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 turn.
Higher.
All right, start straightening it out. Start straightening out, straighten out, straighten out, straighten out, straighten out. Straighten it out, straighten it out. All right, there you go. Yep, you gotta work on your straightening it out skills. Hold on, we're gonna try something here real quick. When I tell you to straighten it out next time, just let go of the wheel and let it straighten itself out.
Okay.
Okay. All right, so start turning, start turning. Turn, turn, harder, 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 harder. All right, now start straightening it out. Just let it go, let it go. There you go. Okay, there you go. See how it straightens itself out?
Yeah.
Then you just gotta ease it back over. Okay, now you gotta.
I like how you can see
Sam,
over
you gotta
there.
watch where you're going, buddy. You're driving. On the path. Keep it on the path. Turn, turn, more. Not so hard, not so hard, not so hard. There you go.
Why not so high?
Well, because you were gonna go too far and turn it off the path. Keep it on the path. There you go. There you go. Good job, buddy. All right, we get to practice turning one more time.
Okay. And then let it go?
Yep, let it go until you're starting to head straight down the path. All right, turn, 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 turn. All right, now let it go. Let it go. And then you just gotta, well, didn't work as good that time. That works better when you're going faster.
Yeah. Is that I can just yank it?
But
Beep.
what did you think, buddy? Was it fun?
Yeah, why is that guy just hunting for deers?
Because it's hunting season.
Can we go hunt for deers?
Dad would love to, buddy. But
Just do it.
he can't, unfortunately. Not because I'm a felon. Just because I'm not good at killing things, buddy. In a video game, no problem. But in real life, I can't shoot deer.
Why?
Because I get sad. But I would love to, buddy, because I love venison and I would love all
Why
that
you
food.
love to? Then
Because deer meat is good, buddy.
but
All right, get back in your chair. Back in your chair.
Are we leaving?
Yep, time to go home. All Dad's drones are broken, and you're done driving, and we got to get home and start working on whatever the hell we're doing for dinner.
Dad,
What?
can we super hunt?
Super hunt?
Yeah.
In your chair. Buddy, if you want to go hunting when you get older, by all means. Dad'll take you hunting. I don't think I can shoot a deer. I don't know. I'll try. And maybe I will get sad for a little bit, but gotta shoot it first.
But there's a cop right there.
Yep. He's fine though. We're not doing anything wrong. We gotta get you strapped in though.
So the cop doesn't see us?
Well, no, because I want you to be safe.
But if we're not safe, then the police will get us right there?
Well, Dad can get a ticket for not having you strapped in, I believe.
And you'll be mad?
Yeah, Dad'll be mad if he gets a ticket.
What, because you don't want a ticket?
No, I don't want a ticket. Dad just spent too much money on drone parts for Black Friday. The last thing he needs is to spend more money on a ticket right now. Is that too tight? I'll take it as a yes. You're fine. Alright.
Can you give me something?
What?
My Captain America and my airplane.
Oh, buddy, I don't know what you did with that. Here's the motorcycle. I have no idea where the plane in the car is, though. Well, there's the car, actually.
And then there's the guy.
Oh, and look at that. There's the plane.
Yay!
How about that? I found them all. How about that? Something went my way.
Something was in your way?
Something went my way. All right. Goodbye.